Everyone, today we are going to have another reading lesson. Today we'll read simple sentences. Part 2. Once again, this is teacher Yumi. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let us start. This is my ear. Okay, it's your turn to read. Very good. This is an elephant. This is an elephant. Okay, you read it. Very good. This is an egg. This is an egg. This is an eagle. This is an eagle. The earth is round. The earth is round. Okay, read it. Okay, very good. This is a fat man. This is a fat man. That is a ferry boat. That is a ferry boat. This is number 5. This is number 5. This is a small fan. This is a small fan. This is a fish. This is a fish. Chef cooks food. Chef cooks food. Okay, very good. This is a flower. This is a flower. Shop sells gas. Shop sells gas. Shop sells toy gun. Shop sells toy gun. Shop sells gown. Shop sells glue. Shop sells glue. Shop sells gum. Shop sells gum. Try my hat. Try my hat. Shake my hand. Shake my hand. Come to my house. Come to my house. I ride my horse. I ride my horse. Rent my hut. Rent my hut. It is a hot day. It is a hot day. I use blue ink. I use blue ink. He is ill today. He is ill today. We live in an igloo. We live in an igloo. This is 1 inch long. This is 1 inch long. She loves ice cube. She loves ice cube. He likes ice cream. He likes ice cream. I love to drink juice. I love to drink juice. This is an empty jar. This is an empty jar. This is my jacket. This is my jacket. So thank you and God bless. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi saying don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.